doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning for the week 45 from November 4th through November 10th. And this time I'm using a new kit from the Mix Match Planner, which is, it's supposed to be fall themed, but the colors really don't remind me of fall. But I really love the composition, so I'm going to give it a go. And once again, I'm changing up the layout pretty much because I still haven't found what works for me when it comes to space for writing. And this time I'm making 9 squares across for the columns, and I'm needing 3 pages to do that. And yeah, by the end of the setup, I'm realizing that since I'm using sort of 2 kits in one, I really spend a lot of space on the stickers themselves, which are gorgeous, but they take away the whole point of, taking more space, because yeah, I end up not having that much anyway. But I do like how it ends up, and I'm gonna make it work. So if I do need more space, I can always use the right page after the last one. So we'll see. So as you can see, I've put down the horizontal boxes at the beginning because I need to see events at one glance on one page. That's a standard for any weekly. I used to do dailies before, where I just had one page weekly overview, and then I had whatever space I needed for each day, which is basically the bullet journal system, which means you don't commit to a certain amount of space. But that doesn't work very well for pre-planning or sticker using, for that matter. But if I see that I don't have enough space, I will probably go back to that. I will still decorate the weekly overview and the days, but I would have to take the days as they go. So I don't know. We'll see. For the time being, I'm really liking this way of doing things because it does help to have everything set up. But I can't use a preset planner yet because I haven't found what works permanently. I need to switch up the layouts every now and then, and lately I've been I've been doing that every week. So, but it's not about finding planner piece anymore. I've come to the conclusion that I won't find that, but the bullet journal gives me sort of peace anyway because I can try out new stuff all the time, and yeah, what suits me today will not work in a couple of months, so I'll need to switch it up anyway. So this is what we're doing this week basically. So I'll put down the days of the week with stickers. I found some Sakura Koi brush pens I had with perfect colors for the sticker theme. So I used that to mark the headers, and now I'm just putting down some boxes to mark down the days I have that I know that something is going on basically, and that will be the 4th of November, which I have a couple of things going on, mostly at work, but I want to mark it down anyway. And my boyfriend's father has his birthday that week, and it's Father's Day here in Norway, so I need to mark that down too. And here are the full boxes, which I haven't used those ever before, and I'm not a fan of today's and to do headers like this, but I thought I would try them anyway. I know they're in the kit, so why not use them? But they do take up more space than writing them would do, or that smaller stickers would do. So it's not very practical if my point is getting more space to write on, but we'll see what happens. Here I'm putting down the meal planning sticker, and I'm hoping to get better at pre-planning the meals for the week, because that will make me well, I won't need to go to the grocery shop so often, and probably spend a little bit less, hopefully, and use what I have at home. So I intend to get myself into a routine that every Saturday or Sunday we'll sit down and think of what we want to have for dinner all week, and it will make it a little bit more uh, predictable. On top of the meal planning, I'm putting down the Happy Meal tracker as I always do, and I like to see what I get in the mail. It gives me good vibes. I do like it. And on top of that, I put down the 2 habit tracker stickers, and on top the notes section for whatever random thing I need to jot down. So basically, the first page is on the left side, events; in the middle, um, things that go for the whole week, and then after that, I'm putting down the columns for each day. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting down the today sticker on each day, and then I put down a half box or quarter box underneath that, depending on how much I think I got going on that day. And underneath that again, I'm putting down get it done, which is for the to-do list of that day, and the heart checklist that come with the sticker kit. And I'm pretty sure that 4 hearts for the to-dos won't be enough for each day, but it's a starting point, and it does look like I should be able to have enough space for both to-do lists and journaling, which is something I like to have. So hopefully that's enough. But we'll see. Next week I'm probably going to do something different again, just for the sake of doing something different. And today I actually got in the mail a couple of new planners, and I might be doing some videos on that as well, depending on what I would choose to do with them. I've got one small planner, a weekly planner, like it's like the Open It 2 Weeks, but not the Open It 2 Weeks, if that makes any sense. So the sticker sets I have already does fit it, and I think I'm gonna start having one planner for social media alone, just to keep track, because I think it's fun. And starting up this YouTube channel makes me want to have some sort of overview of what I'm doing, what I intend to do, to write down ideas and when I get things done, and see how often I do things. So that's the intention, and we'll see how that goes. I already played around a little bit with this week, and posted a picture of that on Instagram, because it was great fun. I just used the leftovers from last week's, not last week's, this week's kit actually, and it was very easy to make that work. So I'll probably have some fun with that in the future. And I also received a pre-made planner for 2020. I'll probably use that for work, I think, but we'll see. I really love the layout. It's a vertical layout, but it's a little bit wider, I think, than what the Happy Planner and the Earring Condron is. But the stickers will still work if I want to use them. So I'm gonna play a little bit around with the first month and see what I do. I might actually have parallel plannings, personal planning, both in my bullet journal and in that planner, just to see how it works, what I like best. Because it's a planner from Personlig Almanac, which is a local web page, and it allows you to personalize it to a degree. You can choose from different covers. You can write in your name at the front if you want to. I chose just to write in the year. I put down the name of my channel on the first page, which is My Limit Is Me. And I chose that I wanted dotted pages and graph paper at the end, and habit trackers and a future log. So you've got a lot of options, different spreads you can add and things. So yeah, it will be fun to see what I do with that. And here I'm just making the finishing touches on my weekly setup with the birthday muffin. And looking for the right stickers for my work things. So I'm taking out a small laptop to mark the event, which happened to have been moved. So I will have to move these stickers later. Hope that works. Haven't a new date to move it to yet, but we'll see. And I'm doing the same, of course, for the day itself with a little bit a bigger sticker from So Cute Planner. And last but not least, I'm putting down a sticker that looks like some sort of man because it's Father's Day, so I thought it looked cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's getting to the end where I'm showing you the result. And if you like the video, please click like, subscribe if you want to, and hopefully I'll see you next time. And yeah, that's about it. Bye bye.